tension steady. We've got movement on the left side. More power on the winch now. Hold it steady. Don't let the cable slip. I'm trying. Give me more leverage on the winch.
Más fuerza, vamos. Ya casi, fíjale. Eso lo tenemos.
We're hitting the gravel now. Tell him to slow the pull.
Copy that. Easing tension. A little more tension now.
All right, she's almost clear of the mud.
Keep going. Give it everything you've got.
It's solid now. We are secured.
All right, let's move out.
Bring it down another foot, slow and steady.
All right, cut the crane. We're set.
This rust goes deep.
Yeah, we'll need to treat the whole panel before priming.
Get that spot right there, it's really caked on.
Yeah, I'm hitting it hard. This stuff is strong.
It's definitely cracked here.
And it seems to extend all the way down to this bolt hole.
Take it down another 2/1000ths right here.
Got it. Adjusting the feed rate.
How's that looking now? Are the manifold sides clear?
Yeah, that's perfect. Looks good to go.
How does the surface look right here?
It looks good. Very smooth finish.
Okay, lift your side up a bit. Watch the hose on the left.
I got it. It's scraping right there.
Hold it, almost seated.
How's that look?
Got it.
Snapped right in.
All right, easy now. Watch the line. Just a little higher on this side. There she goes. Get the strap.